Okay, so I've already done today's daily diary, so don't get me wrong, this is kind of cheating because this will probably end up being tomorrow's. And I just wanted to also add anything where you get to be out in nature, where you get to be out looking at that big sky, or where you get to be out putting your feet in the sand. As I said in the gardening one, your hands in the earth, no problems. It just changes the feeling of your day to be totally immersed in the gorgeous natural world. So take some time. If you can't get to the beach or you can't get to some place natural, look up at the sky. Because there are always just the patterns of the amazing patterns of nature.